per square meter. And you divide that by 1.0 times 10 to the negative 12. Okay? So that's 1.0 times 10 to the negative 6. And that's 1.0 times 10 to the negative 12. So if you take 1.0 times 10 to the negative 6 and divide that by 1.0 times 10 to the negative 12, you get 1.0 times
6. And it's 6.
10 to the 6th, right? Right? I take 10 to the negative 6 divided by 10 to the negative 12. I get 10 to the 6th. So the logarithm of that, the log of 10 to the 6th is 6, right? Base 10. Log of 10 to the 6 is 6. I take 6 times 10, I get
60 decibels.
60. So if you look on your chart, that's where that 60 comes from. Okay? So it isn't magic. They're just saying, hey, that's what you have for 60. Okay. I'll just go get it. So stop that camera for a second. Stand up.